Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and I wanted to share with you my AVON store. So this is AVON. You can shop beauty products on this website. You can become a rep. It's free to join. I've done AVON for many years. I worked as a part-time independent contractor as well as full-time throughout the years, so I know a lot about their products. They have some great classics, I guess you can say. I'm going to show you. So some, for example, skincare. They have the Anew, the face creams. I really like one of the best sellers would be the Skin So Soft, the body oil. So you can go take a look, Bath and Body. You'll see what I'm talking about. So this, the original bath oil, this is one of my favorite products. And then they have like makeup, the lip gloss, eyeliner, lipstick, a little bit of everything. So take a look. You can become a rep. I was 18 when I first joined myself. I didn't really sell too much, but then I went back to it. So sometimes in your life, you do this full time. It could be a small part time. I wanted to purchase a big, large bottle of lotion like 5 months ago for my classroom. And I remember AVON, they have the huge, big bottle, Skin So Soft. I was like, you know what? Why don't I join? So I actually joined about 5 months ago. And I figure I have this website. Let me get some catalogs and then just kind of do this part-time. So if you get to know me, a lot of the times, for example, I wanted to purchase my first house when I was like my early 20s. I think 24. Yeah, 24. I purchased my own condo, and I was looking into real estate. And for me, I just became a realtor, an agent, just so I can save on commission and just kind of do the work on my own to like search for houses and homes and stuff like that. So that's just kind of my style. I guess I've always been that way. I like doing things on my own. I like learning about different businesses, having that experience. So I do know AVON. I've been doing this for years. At one point in my life, at full time, the minivan, I was doing orders left and right, and this was in person. So now it's great because you can shop online. It's so much easier to shop online. There's a lot more online shoppers. But then again, I had a couple customers who like that face-to-face interaction. And, I'll show you some of the catalogs. Right now we're on campaign. I believe it's five or six. And then you can do, there's online catalogs. So this is the link to become a rep. And depending on how much you sell, the commission will vary. You join for $0. It's all free. You can earn 25% commission on $40 and more on beauty orders. There's a huge section once you log in. You can do fundraising. There's so much. They even have like education opportunities. I know they do have like a scholarship for those reps and their children. So there's a ton of information here. So if you are interested, if you are 18 and it's just you want to start, see how it is, have your own online store, you could promote it on your social media. You can try it out. I will share the link in the description, and I will leave the catalogs in the classroom so you can get an idea of the company a little bit more and the products they offer. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see some of you as a new AVON independent sales rep. Any questions, just ask. Thanks. Bye.